Now, when you come to YouTube and search affiliate marketing for beginners, you'll get a ton of videos. You can see a lot of videos here. In fact, this is one of my videos that is trending that I say do not pay for affiliate
unique
marketing.
link.
After this video, if you're a beginner, you will understand how to navigate your way. I want to like explain how every one of us are talking about affiliate marketing. I want to explain what we know that you don't know, because the problem is when you come to YouTube, you're getting information that is scattered. That's what you're getting on YouTube. You're getting scattered information. So you're the one that will make sense out of this information. Tons of information. You can see it's like a lot of information, but you are the one that you make sense out of this information. Because let me tell you something, every single video you see has a particular strategy, and a particular strategy needs to be tested. So just because you've watched one video and it tells you that you should go do this, go do that, go do that, doesn't guarantee that you just go do what the video says and then you're just going to be successful in it, right? You need a series of tests. You need to understand why this strategy makes sense, like why the strategy will actually work, if this strategy is still relevant or not. You understand? So after this video, you already get the informations and then puzzle it yourself. That is if you're able to like use your brain to understand what I'm about to explain. This now, you see, let's say this is you watching this now. Subscribe to the channel, please. The moment you've gotten your product, this is your product, right? Let's just imagine this is your product. Let's use this is your product, right? The moment you've got your product, what do you do next? The moment you've got your product, now there are two routes you can follow, 1 and 2, right? As an affiliate marketer, I hope you're getting my point. This is the first route, this is the second route to follow as an affiliate marketer. Please just stick with me. You understand where I'm going at, please. Now, the first route you follow is going to cost you, right? It's going to cost you. You're a beginner, right? It's going to cost you, the first route to follow. But because it's going to cost you, it's also going to make your growth in the affiliate marketing journey fast, right? So that means you're going to make money fast, right? You're going to make money fast, right? Now, the second route will not cost you. It won't cost you, but you're going to make money slow. So you go like this slow, then you make money. But let me explain something now. Now, you see the first route, right? This is the first one. Well, pick the first one. This is you, right? And you have money. You have like money in your hands or money somewhere, right? You don't need to have a lot of money, but at least just have money. Now, you are going to bring traffic, right? This is your product here. So you're going to use money to bring traffic. That is people. Bring traffic to your product. To bring a lot of traffic to your product. How? I like people that ask questions. So ask me how. How do you bring that traffic? Now, because you have money, you can decide to bring this traffic in different ways. So you can bring them in different ways: 1 way, 2 way, 3 way. I think there are a lot of ways you can think of, sure. But let's say the first way I always used to talk about this thing is WhatsApp TVs. I hope I'm selling this thing. TVs. The first way. The second way is Facebook ads, FB. Facebook ad. The third way, you can do maybe influencer ad also. You can do influencer ad. But the first way, the money is the cost is lower. That's WhatsApp TVs. The cost is low. You have low cost. Then the second one, the cost is higher. The influencer ad, the cost is also higher. Now, let's say you pick WhatsApp TVs, right? How do you go about it? Let me clean this. You pick WhatsApp TVs, because let's say it's the WhatsApp TVs. You want to start small, and I will really advise you to start small. Just because you have money doesn't mean you should spend your money anyhow. So be very, very careful. Don't spend your money anyhow. Have knowledge first, then spend your money. So you have to get these WhatsApp TVs to run advertisements with them. If you're following through the first route, there's a link under the description of this video. You can get access to WhatsApp. You can now pay these WhatsApp TVs. I made an entire video about how to do that in WhatsApp TVs. Now, I'll leave the link in the description of the description of this video, right? So you can now pay WhatsApp TVs, right, to bring traffic. Pay WhatsApp TV to bring traffic to your product. So when you pay them, they put it on their status and then they bring traffic to your product. Right now, you can choose not to even do anything. They just bring traffic to your product. You can choose not to do anything, right? Now, in business, because this is the first route you're following, you have money, right? You don't want to stress yourself. In business, every business, let me clean all of this. Every business is a game of numbers. Business is a game of numbers. I just want you to really understand. If you understand this thing this way, you will not suffer. Business is a game of what? Numbers. I don't know why I'm just misspelling these things, but please forgive me. It's a game of numbers, right? So a game of numbers means what way? So it means that if you have a product, right? Let me use blue. This is your product, right? If you bring 10 people to your product. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now that particular product has something we call conversion rate. Conversion rates. Now your conversion rate depends on how you structure your product, or how that product is structured, for it to be able to convert, for it to be able to persuade people whether people really like the product or not. So depending on your conversion rate is what equates how many people can be converted. So out of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 people, if they come to see your product, right? If they come to see your product, how many of them will decide to buy? So let's say 3 people. 3 is a very high conversion rate. Like if 3 people come and see the product, like it's good. It's a fair amount. 3 people buy. So you make a sale, right? You make a sale because 3 people have bought your product. So by having money, it's very easy for you to just multiply this number of people by increasing the amount of money, right, to these WhatsApp TVs. So you here, you have money, you give WhatsApp TVs, this is WhatsApp TV, you give WhatsApp TV, let's say 5k, they give you 10 people. Now you can give WhatsApp TV again another 5k, they give you 20 people, right? So if 20 people come, this is the first 10 people. If 20 people come, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? If 20 people come, remember the conversion rate of this thing is 3. So it is expected that this next 10 people, 3 will buy again. So it means that it's equals to, you have 6 sales, right? You have 6 sales. So if you follow this whole the first route, that is the first route. If you follow the first route and then you invest money, right, and then depending on the conversion rate of the product, this conversion rate, it's equivalent to how much sales you can make. Now this video is too long. If you're getting value to this, if you're getting value here, please subscribe to the channel. Please, if you understand this thing, what I'm doing here, please comment you understand. Now this is one of my videos that I made like 2 years ago. I said do not pay for affiliate marketing program, do not pay to join, right? There are affiliate marketing programs that you have to pay before they let you join and get access to the products, right? Now I also have an affiliate marketing program, right? I have the G4G affiliate marketing program. The link is on the description. Now the G4G affiliate marketing program is of 2 types. If you want to join the program, you can join the program and I'll make you an affiliate, whereby you get access to the G4G affiliate products that you can now affiliate for and make your own commission. Now in the program, there's another program which is called the G4G affiliate mentorship program. Do you understand? This is where you're going to get access to my own mentorship. That comes with a fee, right? So you don't need to pay to join. You don't need to pay to get access to products that you can now resell and then make commission. That is why I made this video. But you have to pay for someone to like mentor you. You get the concept? Good. So you don't necessarily, if you already understand what to do, you don't need to pay anybody to teach you affiliate marketing. But the reason why you pay is just to have someone that you can always go back to, like to just test, because some people have passed through this journey and they can just help and save a lot of stress for you. You understand? If you don't understand, please tell me you don't understand, so that I will know what I'm doing. I will know how I can now make this thing, and maybe well, I can now sit down and restructure it well so you understand. This is the first route to follow. In the next session, I'll talk about the second route. But please, I want to know whether you understand this one before I'll make the second one. Please drop all your comments below, please. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, I beg you. I don't know why I'm begging you.